In this video, how to add Android Auto to your vehicle.
On the bottom, you got your main menu, you got your music apps. So first, let's go into the music apps. Whatever apps are compatible with Android Auto, you can install on your Android phone that will automatically come out here. You can use all the apps. The audio obviously goes through the car's auxiliary from the interface. But basically, any app you select, you go into it and you just control it. So let's check out, let's say, TuneIn Radio. You press enter and it opens up the app. For this, we're just showing you simple Chromecast. This is the Chromecast, and you can mirror anything you want from your phone. You can connect any device, wireless or wired, to HDMI.
Land Rover LR2, years 2008 to 2012. All NavTool products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs.
Now let's demo Android Auto. With the remote, press the power button to enter the NavTool menu, and then you can, with the arrow, select. So this is, we need CarPlay and Android Auto. Press enter and you're in Android Auto menu. So now, here's what we have here. On the bottom, you got your main menu, you got your music apps. So first, let's go into the music apps. Now that we're in the music apps, over here, by pressing this button, you call out this menu on top left. So this is called the burger menu. This button calls out all the menus and all the applications. You see this arrow down, it means there has more apps in here. So if you press down, you can select any of those applications. So you got Spotify, Amazon, Google Music, etc., etc. And you can use any of those applications. Let's say TuneIn Radio. Whatever apps are compatible with Android Auto, you can install on your Android phone that will automatically come out here. On the bottom here, you got a way to get out. So press here, and this returns back here. Re-enter. Now, over here, this is your home button. This is where all the home stuff are shown. This is your calling. You can call from here, but keep in mind, in order to call, your car must be equipped with Bluetooth. Because unlike CarPlay, Android Auto depends on the Bluetooth, and you can click here, and again, pressing this button, menu opens up, and you can go into dial the number, or any other menu here that you like. So basically, if you want to go dial a number, go ahead, dial the number. You can do anything that you want to. Now, go down, and you also have maps. So over here you have choice of two maps, Waze and Google Maps. So you can choose any of those maps that you like. Alright, so let me show you which ones you can choose. So you have support for two apps, Waze and Google Maps. Basically, one of the two you can easily put. So if it's pre-installed in your Android Auto, you will have both of them here. If any other third-party app comes out, it will be automatically here. Now, you never have to worry about updating this. This updates automatically. Whenever you have anything installed in the Android Auto, it will work on here.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.